Right now, your liver is running over 500 separate biological tasks simultaneously. It is filtering your blood, regulating your blood sugar, processing every drug and alcohol molecule in your system, and manufacturing proteins your body cannot survive without, all at the same time. You will not feel any of it. That is also the problem. By the time your liver starts showing symptoms, the damage is often already severe. Before we go further, subscribe to Human Decoded. We break down your body every single week. Your liver sits in the upper right of your abdomen, just beneath your rib cage. It weighs about 1.5 kilograms, your largest internal organ after skin. It receives blood from two directions at once: oxygenated blood from the heart, and nutrient-rich blood directly from your digestive system, carrying everything you just ate. Every nutrient absorbed by your intestines passes through the liver before it reaches the rest of your body. Every single one. The liver decides what to keep, what to store, and what to destroy. When you eat, glucose from carbohydrates arrives at the liver in large quantities. The liver converts excess glucose into glycogen, a stored form of sugar, and locks it away. When your blood sugar drops between meals, the liver converts glycogen back to glucose and releases it into the bloodstream to keep your energy stable. Without this system, your blood sugar would spike violently after every meal and crash completely between them. The liver is why it does not. It also processes protein using amino acids to build many of the proteins circulating in your blood, including the clotting factors that stop you from bleeding out when you are cut. Every minute, about 1.5 liters of blood pass through your liver. Specialized liver cells scan for toxic compounds, drugs, alcohol, metabolic waste, environmental chemicals, and neutralize them before they reach the rest of your body. Take alcohol. When it arrives at the liver, it is converted first into a compound called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is toxic. It is the compound responsible for the headaches, nausea, and general misery of a hangover. The liver then converts acetaldehyde into acetate, which is harmless and can be safely broken down. Your liver can process roughly one standard drink per hour. Drink faster than that, and acetaldehyde accumulates faster than the liver can clear it. That is what a hangover actually is, your liver falling behind. Here is the most extraordinary fact about the liver. If surgeons remove 75% of it, the remaining 25% will regenerate back to full size within weeks. Not scar tissue, not a rough approximation. A fully functional, full-sized liver grown back from a quarter of the original tissue. This is why live liver donation is possible. A donor gives part of their liver to a patient in need. Both donor and recipient end up with a complete working liver within weeks. No other organ in the human body can do this. Chronic alcohol consumption causes inflammation, then fat accumulation, then permanent scarring, known as cirrhosis. Scar tissue cannot perform liver functions. Cirrhosis is irreversible, but alcohol is no longer the leading cause. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease driven by processed food, excess sugar, and insulin resistance is now the most common liver condition in the world. And here is what makes this dangerous. The liver has almost no pain receptors. It cannot signal distress the way your stomach or heart can. You will feel nothing as the damage accumulates. By the time symptoms appear, jaundice, swelling, fatigue, the disease is often already advanced. The most complex chemical processor in your body, silently breaking down with no alarm system. Your liver receives every nutrient from food, regulates blood sugar, filters 1.5 liters of blood every minute, processes drugs and alcohol, builds essential proteins, produces bile to digest fat, and can regenerate from just 25% of its original tissue. It is working right now, silently, constantly, and without complaint. Treat it accordingly. Follow for more. Every video, we go inside the body and explain exactly what is happening. If your body just surprised you, subscribe to Human Decoded. We do this every week.